Hello, welcome to my entrepreneurship class, chapter number 1. The topic is analyzing the environment. Analyze. Why do we analyze the environment? We can say to find the strength for our business, weakness of our business or the idea, the opportunity lying in the environment with the ideas, and what are the threatenings in the business. That is called strength S, weakness W, opportunity O, threats T. Means SWOT analysis. The analysis of environment is relating here SWOT analysis. Now in this diagram you have been given the SWOT analysis. See here, this is the SWOT analysis, SWOT, SWOT analysis. This is the most important topic of this chapter. It is based on the internal and external environment. Internal analysis and external analysis to check the internal environment of the business and external environment of the business. In next topic you will learn these two. These two you will learn in next topic, but in this topic you are going to learn strength, weakness, opportunity and threats with attached with an idea in the environment. Dear students, here we can say that environment analysis is the process of observing, monitoring and evaluating this economic and non-economic environment to determine the opportunities and threats to an organization. To conduct environment analysis, the entrepreneur has to collect information and data. Based on this information, entrepreneurs form their policies and strategies to grab opportunity and overcome the threats. When we are talking about this diagram, sources of collecting information from environment, there may be the verbal information from customers, wholesalers, retailers, etc., records, publications of the companies, government publications, publications of the financial institutions, reports of research and studies and conducted by the planners. The data collected is analyzed. Information received is tested against various environmental parameters, and then only a viable idea is developed to start a business. In that very idea, we check the strength for our business. Strength that all the resources are available in the market, no competition, there is demand, there is a good profit. Weakness, lack of resources in the environment, lack of finance, lack of raw material, or the poor policies of the government may be there. Opportunity, profit, long-term survival, etc. Threats, a number of competitors or risk, etc.